Good evening, everyone. We should be fine, and we can start. Where was I? I remember I was trying to understand how works raise and stuff. So, where is my folder? I think if I open this, will I open what I need or not? Nope. It's a different thing. Team hospital info, that's what I need. Okay, so it closed the previous one. So resign max. I found this. Is this? Yeah, this is the thing. Resign max plus resign max by 31 by 3. There was some 8E with a mask 20, 20, and there was another one with 80, I think. So there is some flags which I don't know. Okay. Did I start the file? Nope. So resign. Let's see. So what we got? Game clock, something. Global resign max we need. Game clock minus object unknown 82. So status game clock plus 1500. Announcements. And this one, generate notification. Interesting. Player call plus C. Double words greater than this. List head, it's like selection of a notification icon. Be interesting to find this thing and if I will be able to generate this. It would be interesting. Okay, let's see. Hospital object. I thought I added some bookmark. Label. It's called from a lot of places. Where is the param? There is also this. It's one of the things. So it's called not only for resign, but something else. Let's see. Cheat engine. Interesting. Can I run arbitrary functions through cheat engine? Because I of course can write a DLL, inject it, and call the function directly. But it will take too much time. Let's see. No, it's the wrong one. Wish to merge? No. Let's see. We got some hospital here. Can I have a new doctor? Let's try use this one. And ID of this object under cursor 33. So object 33. $51. What is this? Let me first add this. Oh my god. Breakpoint. Yes. So there is a resign, there is a tired, and unknown. x29. Okay. Save. So this is the object. First one is word. But we don't know what is this. Okay. So we need 8e. And header resign. Let's set it here. 8e. And it's double. No, just word. 2 bytes. Okay. Then 82. It's also the 2-bit bytes. Okay. Resign. It's 80. And this one. Mm. 8e, 8e, status 74. Object status 74. And it should be 4 bytes. Yep. What else we need? So 8e, 82. Resign. Index not interested. Status, okay. Diagnose progress 92. Resign 8e, status unknown 5b, announcement. So 5b, apparently it's an ID of this announcement element. So when you click on it, it knows which portrait to show, and when you click on person, it knows where to go. So it's linkage. 5b. Let's see. 2 bytes. Return 2 bytes. Diagnose progress +1. Else 5B, nothing interesting. Maybe this is checked the game clock. It's like timeout for the notification. Okay, let's see. We will try and follow him. And we got immediately a breakpoint. Okay, we got only one argument. So where is my stack? So this is our object, which is before, but it's not what I need. Mm, 02C2. Huh. 28. Oh, no, okay. Start from 26. This is the end address. The correct address is here. Yeah. So it's one of the objects, but we don't care about it actually. But let's see what will happen if we will look at it. So it's saving of a register, and then we are grabbing our +8, which is this. Testing this 8E to 20 and this thing. So basically we are looking apparently to this flag. Let me see. It will be easier like that. Copy this one. +8E, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. F, E, I suppose. Yep. C, D, E, F. Okay. And we are testing 1 byte. So that's 0. We got 0 flag. Jump equal. It means 0 flag set. If this equals 0, we will go in. And there is a call to random seed. 6010. That's random seed. Can I label it somehow? Comment 4. No. I want to follow this. And header. Comment 4 shows after guess value. Just if I will change it to random feed. Go back. Nope. It will not help me. So let's get back this thing. Do I need to change it back to %s? Okay. Interesting. Let me Google real quick. Cheat engine. Engine label functions. Can I actually do this? After several label, unable to use the symbol. Space it. It's a little bit different. Ah, come on. No, not this. Thank you. Memory. View. Mapping labels, memory regions via after assembler. That's not what I want. Maybe. Okay. To assemble. It's not what I want. View. Reference functions. Okay, no. User-defined symbols. Ooh. Is this what I need? Yeah, that's what I want. That would be nice now. So we're calling random seed, we're getting some value. We are getting only 3 bits from it. Okay, and we got this thing. If random by 3, and we are getting somewhere in the object. No, just random number. Load effective address, we got 258. Basically we got here 0, because of this is also 0. So we should get 24 by 375. But we didn't. We got 258. Ah, wait a minute. We are still not finished. Basically, because this is 0, it was 0. But here we got 24 and 24 by 16. Dish 19. Because plus. Okay. But why? Then we are cleaning this and we are getting object 82. 82 B6 in the X. Yep, there it is. B 6 by 6. We got this. Then we are continuing with this. Oh my god. By 2 by 4. Tish, and yeah, there we got this 375 by 24, 23, 28, 9,000. Then we are getting game clock. Yep, and I also can add it to the list. That's strange why they don't have an option here for that. Like add to. Maybe I will find it here. No. Okay, let's see again where I found this. User-defined symbols. Game clock. 004E 48A8. Let it be here. So now we see that this is the game clock, which is 12,000. Now we are subtracting global. Uh, 12,023. Yep. Minus EDX, which is thing from the object. This one. That's basically this. And we are comparing this to this calculated thing. So this thing 82 is interesting because I just hired him. And it's like that. But if I, for example, grab again, but I will use the next one. He got this value. Ah, interesting. This is different. How? Oh my god, stupid. That's a different object. That's why it doesn't work with mine. Okay. So each object got different thing. So yeah. I don't care about this. But 9,000. Who the hell is that? And 9,000, it's not like some flag, because it's too big to be a flag. Here we are getting byte. Yeah, usually 1 byte is enough because it can contain 8 flags in it. And it's more than enough. But this thing is 2. No, wait a minute, byte. I confused myself. I need 82, not 8e. This one, 82. So it's a word, it's 2 bytes. And yeah, that's a measurement of time. It's in-game ticks. So the fresh one is above 12,000 and this one is 9,000. Okay. So we are comparing this. And if this is greater than our random number, so ECX minus EIX, yeah, we will get in. But there's a second check. There is this thing, which is... it's blocking. I still don't see. Okay, this is 480R. Yeah, there it is. So we can grab this. And this will be our global resign max. That symbol. Okay. Oh, interesting. Can I add a structure here so it propagates to the this view? User defined symbols, texture. Okay, preference. What we got here? Okay, we can dissect structures. Define new structure. OSP object. Edit data type size AF. It's not what I expected, but I should have seen that. Shit. Now it will be wrong. How can I remove it? Shit. Delete structure. I should delete host object. Yes, thank you. Define new host object. AF. Okay, there we got. And we got 8. Oh, there's a pointer to somewhere. That's good. 8. And there's a problem. It grabbed this as 4. But it's 2. Add element. Something. So this is it. And now it's 1000. What? Export current. Did I mess up? 4, 4, 2. Yes. Because I'm looking at the wrong thing. This one I need. Change type 2. Add element. Another 2. And there it is. 82. Where is our thing? Oh la la. If I will change to hex, yeah, 6 by 6. Change type, byte. So, okay, we got this thing. Oh my god, not enough space. Just, it can't understand that this is this structure. That's what I wanted. After destroy, do not save default after guess. No. So we are here. We are moving global resign to AX, which is 96, which is actually 150. Yep. Yep. Then we are comparing this to this value in the object. The dish. And we got TSI 80 at this 18 is less than 150, so it's not the time. So we will fail this check, and because of the end, we will go to this if. Dish. And we are comparing 93, which is this progress. 93? There is a +1. Okay, that's why it's like that. Ooh. Trovo, can you? I cannot. That's fun. Trovo, I understand that you are like at the end of your life, but can you not break the last couple weeks of your existence? Rate limit, nice. Oh, finally. Oh my god. This one dropped. Okay. Seems to be working. Partially. Who knows? Ouch. Ah. Okay. So there is a problem. I used it as a 2-byte thing, but there's actually 1-byte thing. Let me see. Reference. Let's see this. Maybe that's a problem. Oh. So this is this thing. That's a byte of 93. This is a word of 92. So there is a 1 of 93. So it's again a union of 2. So 92 and 93. Because they accessed 92 with a word pointer and 93 with a byte pointer. And that's everywhere. Word. Okay. It's not main function. Let's get this address. Copy address. Go back. So we were here. Can I use unions somehow? Or I have to create them always? Union. Apparently, no. What's the type? Close archive. New union. Name. Diagnosis. Progress. Something. Size. How do I add anything? Byte. And duplicate. And now, if I will go and retype this, and we will be able to do it like that. Shit. I forgot how union works. Data type, diagnosis progress. And now we need to get compound component. I need to add here like that. So diagnosis progress is actually a word, and this is unknown 93, which is a byte, but it will use 92 as a base, not 93. I forgot how it works here. because it will still get +1. It's not a union like that. Okay, yeah. Then we will revert back boredom. We'll deal with it later. Let me remove this so it doesn't appear here. Just union works in opposite of what I want to make. Because like you get a union if like here I use 2 bytes and the 1 byte. But the problem that alignment works at the start and it will be like the biggest value will be 2 bytes. But if I will add 1 byte, it will be at the start. So 92 will be accessing both, but 93 will access nothing because the 1 byte value is also at 92. I don't remember how to do it here properly because I need the opposite thing. So I don't know. Maybe not a union, but something else I need to use. I don't remember right now. But okay. As far as I remember to read it not like value +1, but the address +1. So we are getting 93. Aye. And we're comparing this to 0. Avoid. No. Never mind. Yeah, the value is like, for example, there is 82. When it's accessing 2 values, 2 bytes, actual number is starting in the last place, so in the 83. But access address is 82. So basically there is always 2 bytes, but it's getting only one part of it, and it's like 93 here. So, okay. Byte, okay, compare this to 0. And it's a 0. This looks like a counter for design, I think. Last time I was looking at something like that. So we will jump here. And because we will not get into else, we should get to the return real quick. Yep, and there we are. So let's jump out and we immediately back. Because this function is called from everywhere. Yes, I is B4. That's not our. hour is this? Instance. I need this, so I can remove you and place you here with condition. And there is simple condition, ESI equal this address. And we should be good. So let's see how he will change. Will I be able to see all values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E. Wait a minute. I need AF. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. F. So this is our doctor. Op. And we immediately here. What we got? 8E. 0. So we will get 0 flag. And we will jump to random seed. We will get 0. 18. Oh my god, I forgot what is 18. I should name them like in the assembly. 18, that's 24. It's just a number. Okay, and then we getting 82, which is 12,000. Show hex. Control Alt H. Okay. Then we are continuing our multiplication. That interesting logic. So basically here we can get only 4 values. Because 3, it's like that. So we can get 0, 1, 2, and 3. And basically it will be 375 by 24. And plus from 0 to 12. So it's less than a day difference, because one day it's 50 ticks. Because this will be from 0 to 3. So 3 is the maximum. By 4 it's 12. No, wait a minute. 12 plus 24. We first add. So this is the smallest value which we can get. And this will be actually 12 plus 24. So 24 up to 36 by 375. Okay, from 9 to 13 and a half. It's okay. So move game clock, subtract one from another. We got E6, EIX comparison. EIX will be lower. Where is this thing? If hey, where is my Hydra? If object unknown 8e mask by uh 20. It's how many? So 4, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So something like that. I think it's written like that. 0b. Okay. So it's a masking. If this is okay, some seed mask by come on, where is 3? Then if and then by 4 plus 24 by 375. Yep. Like that. Greater than game clock minus hosp object unknown 82. Nope. This way. And global resign max less than was object resign. Then we will get something here. there is else, and there is another if. Ah, I need this. Global design max 150. Usual. Next. Jump not above. So 93, we are here. Where is this? Was object unknown 93. Not equal 0. And we got 93 is 0. Okay. 92. Okay, I need to change you to 93. And here also 93 byte. Okay. Come on. We are comparing this and compared to 0, and we are again out. So this function will constantly run. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 ticks. And it's like because of the amount of people. Okay, so we are not interested right now in this. We are interested in it going in. So I need to find this 5F5. This 65B. Yep. Or not. Render. I need this thing. Job 0. So I need this. 644. And else? So 561 at the start. And now let's run and look at our doctor. So apparently this ticking at the start, it's frames of animation. So this is oh my god, this and this I need. This is a 9. Or 9. C, E, F, so C. So it's 8. 9th byte. Wasp object, edit data type 8. So yeah, frame index. And second value, which is here, it's a 1 7. So it's F 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it's inside this. But why it's changing? It's not supposed to change? Or I missed the value?
Mrs. Birkenhair to the rear exit.
Yeah. E. Oh. Interesting. Host index, where is it? This one. That's 16, and it's a byte. Wait a minute. I messed up this one. Find use. Why it's 2 bytes in the structure? Byte, 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 byte. Why I decided to do it 2 bytes? It's clearly a byte. It's everywhere, accessed like a byte. Interesting. It's a byte. And this is also byte. But where did you go? And it's unknown 17. And if I will find usage, is anyone accessing it? None. Interesting. There's no excess of a 17. Then who is writing it? Breakpoint on what access this address, for example. And there is a bunch of things. Why Kidra doesn't see this? It doesn't understand that this is the object. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Retype. Hosp object. Mm, okay. Why you don't see the freaking pointers? No, you're calling this thing, and this thing. Okay. Play some sound. First is the object. Retype. Hospital object. Stop sample. Oh my god. Oof, no, not now. Can I see your structure? Okay, this is the object. Param. Okay, who knows? Then this one. Nope. Nope. Ah, yes. So this is also host object. Now play some from address. Interesting. Okay. Now can I get back to where I started? Okay, let's get back here. So I need this address to get back. No results. Oh my. There we are back. Huh? What's object? There it is. Okay. Any function calls this one? Oh my god. Concat. So it's a second. What the hell is happening here? Casting. This is close here. Then this concat this. So it's the first one. Some strange thing. Will not touch it. So play sound. I propagated this. Now let's see. This thing is coming from around the place. Oh my god. And it's a param 1, 2, 3. There is a hospital object. So this thing understands that this is a hospital object, but for some reason it didn't propagate. Okay, let's see the second address also. So play some sound. And it's inside the same function. Okay. So this is our function. Now compare move. We moved what? A L. So basically 0. And what I wanted to do is get here. And now we should see some references. If I will see the freaking text. Now we copy. But again, it will be only these two places. And this is the move, and this is a compare. We're moving something plus 6. If it's not bvar 3. Still not clear what it does. And we found only these two, which I created. Let's get here. Show this in the assembly. I wanna check. And we break here. Just if this even not 0. Oh, yes, let me see. So we'll grab its address and we will break only on this set change. Yes, why are you breaking here? Ah, okay, now it's correct. So AL is 0. Now it's still 0. And again, it's 0. Okay, let's change. More complex. Return condition. So yx and L not equal 0. Can I use it like that? Nope. I forgot how I did it last time. Cheat engine complex point. Yeah, for fun's sake. Return rocks greater than or check breakpoint and L greater than 0. Like that. Nope. Is this also like animation stuff? Is there somewhere explanation about this? I did it last time somehow. I don't remember how. 16 0.
Staff announcement. Incoming patients with bloaty head.
So with some animation
Doctor required
apparently.
in inflator room.
because he will be touching this cabinet and voila, it changes. Oh, we got there. But which one it is? Yes, I 68. Yes, let's see. Hey, the fun. I copied this. Okay, what we are interested in. ESI 16. So it's here. Let's see if okay. ESI plus 16. That's this one. So we got on else. So we got this equal not 0. 8e. Actually, I need first. 8e is 0. What? Let me get a new window. So this is our object. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. FE. Interesting how we got it. It changed already. $56B. Wait a minute. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong place. Yeah, I am. 5F5. It's actually here. So yeah, it was 0. We got here. So we passed this thing. So we actually need to see 82. This one. and resign max, which is 80. 177. Okay. So we are getting hospital index, which is 0. Then 8F. This one. 8F. Which is 0. And we are incrementing it. And voila, we got 1. So this is unknown 8E plus 1. Oh, not E, my god. Unknown F. And then yeah, we're incrementing the value inside, so we are not storing it, we're storing the address because there's an ampersand and the dereference exactly for that. So we are incrementing in place. So we can check. So we're here if no, not if. Hosp index for now. Oh, we don't need you right now. So we are getting hosp object unknown 8F plus plus. Then we are checking this to 28E. Oh, where is the 8? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. FE. So byte 8E. We're checking to 20. Hosp object unknown 8E. Some mask also. We are storing it there. Or so we will get 1 there. Or returns if any of them are 1. No? I forgot completely. Let's think. 0. Let's make it byte. And we will need OR with 32, which is this bit. And it should return this bit with OR. Eight E. Strange. Ah. Is it even storing the result? What? Let me check. Int engine. Or not this OR operation. Let's see. And we understand this. Or used for supporting logical expression by performing bitwise OR. If the matching bit from either or both, yeah, so if any of them 1, so yeah, in destination it should be 1. Then y at 0. Am I looking at the correct address? Plus 8e. Oh my god, what are you doing? Plus 8e. Oh my god, I'm looking at my old object. There it is. That is a 20. I'm stupid. And I'm... Don't pay attention. But my logic was correct. There will be 20. So yeah, it stores 20 there. So that's what's happening. Then we move game clock here and we push it to here and we will get some announcement. ECX. We pushed offset. Ah, yeah, it pushes the whole register, but we actually using only a lower part of this register, CL, so it's this 2 bytes. And yeah, it's index, hosp index. Where is the duplicate? I don't see variable hosp index here. What are you talking about? I see offset. Current hospital index and the globals. There is a hospital index, but where is this? Duplicate. Where? I don't know where it's getting it. There it is. But where is it? Actually, it doesn't exist. Okay, so we are pushing hospital index, adding EAX5DC. That's this thing plus 1500 and saving it to status. Hosp object status game clock plus 1500. So it basically moves this check further and changes this logic. So it will call this thing. So okay. Then we're pushing this 0 to this thing. Some announcement was index was objects was index. Then 0. Then move E6 AF, it's a size. size 74. It's our game clock plus thing goes into 74. Then we're moving ESI, which is object start, into EAX and subtracting current object minus global. Was object data start. If I will get back, where is this symbol? Yes, there is symbol view. So address is this. Yeah. So we'll get here. And we're dividing one by another, and it will be index. I div by ECX and we will get 34. Okay. Hospital object minus start divided by size. Hospital object index equal address of hosp object minus address of hosp object array divided by hosp object size. So object size is 0xaf. Or it's better to move you here. And the last one is the type, apparently. Push EAX, it's our index, and push 1, it's a announcement type, something like that. 1. And we are calling this thing. I will not get into it right now. We will get back 1. Okay, that's not a... no, wait a minute, there's a... something interesting. There is... okay, it returns 0 if there is no, like, a link. It didn't work. But if it worked, it returns some pointer. But here it returned 1. Maybe it's index of a announcement. Index. Then we are moving this into 5B. Yeah, there it is. So we can just use hosp object unknown 5B. And we will see here. That's again wrong. 5B. It's a word. Add element 5A. There it is, and it will be changed to 1. Why it's 256? Because or not. They're placing word here. How is this working? New window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F, E, D, C, B. Okay. Stupid. A, B. So this will be byte. Some byte. A, this add element 5b, but remove this and change this to 2 bytes. And now we will add missing I got A, B, C, D, E, and F I need also. That's missing 1. F. So should be okay. And here we got 1. Now we are returning. So we are moving stack, returning 1, and returning to the calling function, which is 076. It's plus, it's not the actual term. Or not. Okay, 4076. Where is the 4? This one? Nope. Okay, let's grab function pointer. Tish. And it's actually here. This is okay. This is not. Because it's casting here, but it's a different thing. We do not return hospital object from here. We return only bytes. Let's see, return. Move. Instruction info. Yikes, all four. We will return integer from here for now. Wait a minute, there is int. So this is not the object. This function also doesn't return object. Move AL to 1. This one, AL to 1. So it actually returns not 4, but only byte. And voila, function is cleared. Let's close object. Time used. With better rooms. Oh my god, that's wrong. Let me see again this one. Return. Oh my. Let me see this here. Yeah, we're moving into EAX. So we're using all 4 bytes here, even though we are not required. Other returns, what we'll say? EAX. Come on, stop doing this. Let's see this. There is nothing. There is EAX1. And this is the cleaning of EAX. So yeah, EAX. Okay. So this function does not return object. This function returns this, but we are using AL, so actually it's also byte. Next place where is this used? That's also not this. That's not an object. Here, return AX. It's 2 bytes. there is a return AX. So what maximum we're returning 2 bytes, not 4. Port. This one also returns AL, which is byte. Byte. This so this one is not an object. Retype. It's just integer. Return host object. Return. They all go to the same return. Interesting. So how I managed to get this like that? It doesn't return host object. It returns some integer. Byte. And we are using return from this. Why it's like that, I have no idea. Okay. We check the function. So we got this thing, okay. And now we are here. Address. Can you? No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, this is a function. So we got into else, but yes, I is this one. Okay. So it's the same object. And now we are here. We are calling this function, which does some shit. So we push 9, which according to this is a sign of a tabulation. or it's a delimiter. This is a host object. And let's retype. So it will be hospital object. And voila, it made more sense. If it's not a patient and or was object unknown greater than 0. Maybe it's not a delimiter, but the hard-coded limit. That will be fun. Okay, we are here. Basically, push. We are moving ESP C, which is the address of our object, into ESI, just in case. Then we're comparing again. ESP, ESI, okay. C, it's a patient, it's a type. Let's get this here. Function. One. Oh, I got this. Resign algo. I cannot do that. No, we need to move you. And we got some func. So we calling some func with was object. Okay, host object, and for now it will be delim. Maybe it's not a char at all, but something else. We will discover it later. So we're comparing if this type is object. Hospital object types. How I used it. Object type enum. Oh my god. Object type enum patient. Patient. If where's it? Okay, so far so good. So C, this one is actually a byte. An element. 2 bytes. And add element byte. Export just in case. Compare. So we got 4. 4 should be doctor stuff. Or so we're checking something interesting. So we can accept that this is a patient if it passes a second check. Because even if it's false, so if it's a patient, it will check this thing. Okay. And that's exactly what we should get right now. Jump lower or equal. It's not patient, so we skipping this and getting straight to the logic. Yum, yum, yum. So we are here, we are moving this delimiter stuff into CL, then moving sign extended to EIX, and it's not a delimiter apparently, but some kinda index in the array of predefined values. Oh, this one of size of 6. Because we will get 9 by 3. And then something else. So 9 by 2 plus 1, it's by 3. 9 by 3, 27. That's 1b. Yep. Then with that we got pointer, byte pointer. Yes, I plus 18. That's unknown thing. Moved 31 times to the right. Oh my god, this is... Oh wait, never mind. There is a thing. And here is our hex. Add element. And another element, I suppose. So here we got... It grabs this yeah. 1, 8. So F, there is here. We are getting into X. Sign extended, okay. That's why it's 31, apparently, because it extends and then it have to move all of this extension out. Because we got basically come on, -2. Oh no, we got -18. But it's like not actually minus. Just it's 238. And we're doing bit shift. Where will it be? Oh my god. Strange thing. Or it's notation for this thing. Sign extended. Wait a minute. If I will get and I will sign extended to right 1F times, I will get 0 because I will be moving it who knows where. 1F, left shift, the same. Oh, logical shift. So this will always give me 0 because that's how it works. And this also. Okay, this does what? EDX, it's our 1B. It's 27 multiplied again by 2. So basically it's 9 by 6. Where is it? So it's some index. Some index by 6. And then we will get here this one. Convert to quad. We're converting different thing. We're converting this one. We're extending F's. And then we are XORing UX and EDX. So we will get back this. Okay, 1, 1. That's a conversion into positive. So we got 11 in our thing. It's 17. Yeah, it's basically conversion. Negative into positive number. Elementary stuff. So it's some anim frame. Some index. IDX. Subtract this minus this. Basically plus 1. Because it's a minus minus 1. Can I see anywhere this logic? Then we are loading edges basically. Again, math. Yeah, EX 12 by 3. We got 36. At this one. Nope. Move the O. Who knows what it is? But it got a lot of references. Wait a minute. We will get address plus EDI 36. Another window, please. So we are not getting like address from here. And there is no pointers. But we are getting value from here, which is FF. Adding this thing and storing here. That's some interesting logic. Plus FF. Oh my god, 36. But still. It doesn't look right. Change. We're moving something from this address. It's not load effective address, it's a move. So this plus this. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm not touching FF. This plus 36. And that's where I'm supposed to see it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from this address, we're getting AL. Oh my god. Is this some kind of array again? So we got 1D. Where is this thing? So we are here. That array. Because that's exactly what we did. It's 36. It's 9 by 6. Okay. Muff is muffing. And then we're getting this thing which we just grabbed and compare to some other thing in the same array. What the hell? UDX by 2. So this is basically EDX by 2. And so before I got plus 30. Oh my. 1, 2, 3, 6. Now I need 6C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F, E, D, C. So it will be this compared to somewhere here 1D. And if this by 6 greater by then was object unknown 18 caret XOR by any frame. Oof. Was object unknown 18 by anim frame by itself. Minus anim frame. So it's basically what we did is like that. We incremented a value from there, so it's like get a next frame. Also by 6. So this array, it's array of frames. And somehow it's tied to the object of a staff member. Strange. We will not jump. We will get in this part. So we are basically in. Yep. This is just cleaning, and this is loading. We clean the X, then we are grabbing the DFE4. So we grab address from there, not the address itself. We grabbed this thing, but this is an address. Zero A, maybe. Then from this we are getting EDI. It's again some index by 6 actually. Why it's by 3? Who knows? And we will move something from there into the X. So this plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we got this FO. I get it here. Oh, we got 2 bytes. 08 FO. Okay, wait a second. I'll be back in a second. Hello, Res. You are late today. I almost finished for today. Okay, so I will need to look at these objects next time. So this data is predefined. Oh my god, don't tell me it's just alphabet for the game. Okay, so we are moving something again. ESI 1B. It's what? 1B unknown. And we are saving there this thing. All 2 bytes. 1B. So here. 3D. But again, move dx. Dx it's 2 bytes. Word pointer, so this is incorrect. This must be 2 bytes. And yes. Add element D and another element F. Export and voila. Pam 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 pam. We got some unknown things saved into unknown things. And then we are getting something from D5 from this. Plus EDI, it's again some index by 6. Oh my god. Into AL, which is 1. We are testing that this is decimal. If it's less than 0, equal 0, or it's greater than 0, oh my god. Jump not lower, not less. And we got 1 1, so it's greater than 0. And here. And here. Huh? Okay, yeah, we got here. As expected. Unknown 90. Let's see again. It's inside if. So there is a profit. Okay, if some char greater than 0, we will get host object unknown 19 equal ff and host object unknown 18 some index We'll actually save it there. CL. We will get this index actually. Bish pop pop and return here. And we are cleaning yikes, and we do not use this return. Okay. So let's avoid them. Okay, I will have to stop here because I don't have much time for today. Oh, I need to understand what this bunch of arrays do. They, on first glance, do something with animation which does not like change the logic of a design. Maybe I can skip it for now, so I don't waste time on this. I can go here. So it's not a T, it's some index. And we got this, and we're getting hosp index again. Yes, size 16. Compare it to current hospital. If they are equal, we will OR this thing with 1. What this thing means? It's a double word, so all 4 will be ORed with 1, so we will get 1 here. No, here. Ah, okay, yeah, the lowest part. And it will check again this new status timer which we moved. With a game clock, and if it's time we will generate notification, but apparently it's not. So we will get out of here. If some function, if post object sp index equal current post index, then we will do this thing. Then we're checking if was object status if game clock greater than this, and we will do something. Return 1. If not, return 0. Return 0 here. I will not touch this for now. This I also can convert like that. Ah, no. Less or equal. Is this thing greater or equal? Where is this function? If first of all, this thing greater or equal, it means that this thing. Oh, my Boolean algebra. It should be like that. Less or equal. Okay. I can think right now. Game clock, but why? Okay. Let's do it like greater or equal. Yeah, if I want to change it to less, I will have to negate the whole thing. Okay, that should be okay, like that. Okay, that will be all for today. Thank you everyone who joined us. I will see you all on the next week. So have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your evening. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.